Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Bitcoin this Sunday. Hope you're all having a great weekend and let's get right into it. I mean, obviously in the weekend not much happens, and for Bitcoin also not much happens. There were some altcoins yesterday that actually moved quite a bit, and there were some opportunities as well. There were like Peanuts, for example, rallied a huge amount. So there definitely was movement, but Bitcoin, as you can see right here, is basically at the same price as it was yesterday, and we're very much waiting for the new week to open to get some new movement, to get some new capital into the markets, and then get some more direction. I mean, again, and we've seen this week after week, the volume right now in the market is very low again. Right now it's at $16.4 billion. That's 66% down from yesterday. Now, I have to say, yesterday the volume was still relatively high because we had a lot of volatility late on Friday. So it's that decrease doesn't matter that much, and I think the volume right now is actually on par with the volume last week. Yeah, last week it actually got to 14 billion for some time. But yeah, so volume is low, new capital will flow into the markets, and that will cause volatility. And now it's up to us. I mean, Bitcoin right now technically is still within this range. Between, let's keep it easy, 95,000 and then at the top 99,000, which is kind of this range within the bigger range between 100 and 1,500 and 92,000. And we have to kind of, discuss and predict, well, all right, well, are we going to get the bearish breakout here? And are we going to drop down into 92, 91,000? Potentially lower based on the fundamentals, or can we actually get a bullish breakout, break above 98,000, which I would still say 98,000 is more important than 99,000, and I do think we would have been able to hold 98,000 as support after we broke above that for a longer period of time had we not had the Bybit hack, but that's pure speculation, who knows. So we kind of have to discuss that. So if we talk about next week, first of all, there's not that much economic data you need to be prepared for. That usually causes volatility, and just in general, it's important for the monetary policy of the US. Thursday we have some news. Friday we have the most important news with the PCE price index, but I'll still keep you updated on that later throughout the week, so don't worry too much about that yet. Just enjoy your Sunday for now and be mildly prepared for what's coming. Because if we take a look at the other fundamentals, oh, I just deleted it. So there still is a Coinbase Bitcoin premium, all right. So that means that the price of Bitcoin on Coinbase is still trading a little bit higher, which is usually a bit of an indication of bullish momentum, or at least bidding coming in from the US. Which you can see right here as well. That actually started yesterday evening already, so that's a good sign. And then look, the fundamentals are a little bit difficult because, well, the dollar strength index, as most of you know, is bearish, and that's good, but it's also at support. And then the stock markets have retraced a bit. I would say that's good as well, because I still think we are in an uptrend. So that means that, if we retrace, then at least we got that out of the way, and we can find support soon. And when the S&P 500, when the stocks find support, then we can actually get some more bullish momentum for the market as well. But both of them, like I said, can actually move up with the market opening. So that is something we will just have to see when the market opens, and I cannot really make an educated guess on that. I mean, there's so many things you have to take into account for that. It's crazy. So for now, I would say that Bitcoin will remain stable, all right? So that short term, we will grab some liquidity here at 95,000. I think that's a possibility, and that certainly looks like where the price is moving right now. But I do think we'll be able to hold this level, and that we'll also be able to get a move into 98,000. And then depending on the fundamentals, which I'll keep you updated on tomorrow, we can either start moving up towards a bullish breakout and a move into 100 and 1,500, which we tried to do at the end of last week as well, or a drop down into 90,000 potentially again, and then we'll buy down there, because that is my plan for now. But that I'll keep you updated on that. For now, I'd say this short term, so it's a very short term analysis, excuse me. I would love to be more long term too, but we just have to know the opening of the fundamentals before saying anything about that. So I'll keep you updated on that. For now, I think that's what you need to know. So thank you for watching, take care, and bye.